Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Discover the epitome of elegance and comfort in this captivating 4-bedroom, 3.5-bathroom haven. It sits on a 1/3 acre of land. It is nestled within the tranquil community of New Haven Heights, Trelawney. This beautiful property promises a lifestyle of refined luxury and serene living. Key features includes beautifully designed with meticulously attention to detail, 4 spacious bedrooms for comfortable living and privacy, 3.5 modern bathrooms, large living, family and dining rooms for added convenience, master bathroom with walk-in closet, balcony with scenic backyard view, spa-like bathroom with jacuzzi and shower, granite countertops and dishwasher, in-unit laundry with dryer and washer, water heater and water tank with pressure pump. Don't miss the opportunity to view this remarkable property firsthand. Make contact today to arrange a viewing and witness the harmonious fusion of luxury, comfort, and tranquility that awaits. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US $579,000 or Jamaican $89.1 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.